our students will go into absolute hysteria when they have a seller that wants a price sheet.
Oh my God! You have to send it
Immediately,
If you
like
waste
within a
any
millisecond.
seconds, yeah, your chances of getting that contract are just exponentially decreasing.
Yes, and so they will text us and call us and email us at, at 10 p.m.
Understandable. They're excited.
They're excited. I gotta get this price sheet.
Yeah.
I gotta but this is what I see.
The house has been for sale for 110 days.
Yeah, but they gotta get the sheet out right now. And but so then they Joe and I get to our computer, whatever. We go, yep. Hey, this price sheet looks good, or hey, change this, and they send out the price sheet. And here's what I find at this point is then I'll talk to the student or follow up 4 or 5 days later. Hey, what happened to that house?
Yeah.
And they go, I don't know. He hadn't got back to me. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
That's not how you do this. You send that price sheet. You call the next day.
Mm-hmm.
But they're so, two things. They're so excited to send out the price sheet, and they think the seller's just going to call back, oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. Where do I sign? I'm like, no, that's not how it works. You got to call and go, hey, did you get the price sheet?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions? And I pound that into my students, and I call them out on it on the calls we have.
Right.
I'm like, that's not how you do this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I did yesterday with one of David's students. I was like, that's not how you do this,
Mm-hmm.
And but you've got to. People get nervous talking to sellers.
I think anybody might get a little anxious or nervous, speaking on anything that they're not that knowledgeable in yet, for sure. So I could see that. I'd much rather hide behind my keyboard as well and cashier's checks, but it's just not the way it works. So it's our job to show them the way.
Yeah, you got to talk to people.